Hello and welcome to another video on this channel. My name is Dinkar and you are watching Indian FIA. Today we are going to make this thing. Well, this is called Maggie and it's a instant Indian noodles which you can make in 2 minutes. But who want to make a noodles in 2 minutes? This thing contains a packet of masala which is self-sufficient in itself and you don't need any Indian spice. But who wants to eat the boiled noodles? So today we are going to make these noodles with a lot of veggies. So if you want to make a special Maggie, just follow this video. Now in order to make the Maggie, we will need the Maggie itself. I'm using 2 packs of Maggie here. And since we are going to use a lot of veggies, I would suggest you to have as many veggies as possible. The first thing I'm going to use here is red onions. I have used 1 onion here and I have roughly chopped it into square small pieces. Next I'm going to use some potatoes. I have also cut my potatoes into square small pieces and I have washed it well and removed all the starch. Next I'm going to use some carrots. I have used baby carrots here and I have cut it into small pieces. Next I'm going to use some green peas. As you can see, this is 1 cup of green peas here. Along with my green peas, I am also using red pepper here. You can also use other colors and green pepper. And the last thing I'm going to use here is paneer. Guys, this paneer is optional here and it's more like a protein in my Maggie, but you can also replace it with chicken or any other protein, but you can left it out as well. Now all of my veggies are ready here, so I'm going to use a pan and here goes some vegetable oil. Once my oil is hot, I'm going to put in the potatoes. We have to cook these potatoes until they start changing their color. So after a few minutes, I'm going to add my baby carrots and onions here. Now it's time to cook all of these together. We will mix all of this really well and I'm going to cover all of this so that they can be cooked in the steam. So after a few minutes, I am going to add the green peas here. Along with my green peas, I am going to add some spices here. Firstly, I will use some turmeric powder. I am using 1/4 tablespoon of turmeric powder. Next goes some red chili powder. I have used half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Next goes some coriander powder. Again half a teaspoon of coriander powder. Next I will add table salt here. I am using 1 tablespoon of table salt. Guys, our Maggie usually comes with all these spices, but since I am using a lot of veggies here, so in order to make everything flavorful, I'm using these spices. Now I will add some water to these spices so that everything can be mixed properly and our spices don't burn. As you can see, our veggies are looking really great here. Now I will cover these veggies and let them cook for few more minutes. As you can see, these veggies are getting cooked into the steam and this will help our potatoes and carrots to be cooked properly. So once your potatoes and carrots are cooked, it's time to add the protein, which is our paneer here. And I will also add the red pepper. If you are using the green peppers, you can also add those at this stage. Now I will mix all of this really well. So while our veggies are getting ready, I'm going to open the Maggie packs here. As you can see, each pack of Maggie comes with the masala. Guys, this is a very tangy masala which comes with the Maggie. Now it's time to add some water to these veggies. For every 1 pack of Maggie, you will need 1 cup of water. And we have to turn on the heat to high so that our water can boil now. So once the water start boiling, it's time to add the Maggie masala now. I will add both the packs of Maggie masala here and I will mix all of this really well with all of our veggies. Now it's time to add our Maggie now. I like to break my Maggie like this into 2 parts and you can do the same. I will also add the leftovers from the packet. Let's add the other Maggie as well. So once your Maggie is in, you have to mix all of this really well and cover it for the further cooking. Guys, keep checking your Maggie and keep giving it a good mix. Our goal is to cook our Maggie well and evaporate all of this water. I have seen some people who love to have Maggie with the soup. So if you are among those people, you can add more water to this. But I don't like my Maggie to be soupy, so I will try to evaporate as much water as possible. Keep an eye on your Maggie so that it doesn't stick to the bottom of your pan, but you have to keep it covered so that it can be cooked in the steam. So after around 5 to 7 minutes, you can see my Maggi is totally ready. Guys, our Maggi is looking fabulous and it's giving a great aroma due to that Maggi masala. You should definitely try this recipe at home. Guys, usually Maggi is not that healthy, but because we have added a lot of veggies to this recipe, so it will definitely increase the nutrient level in this recipe. I would suggest you to try this recipe at least once at home and let me know how it was. I'm pretty sure you and your kids will love this kind of Maggi. If you are still watching this video, thanks for watching till the end and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I have made a lot of Indian cuisines which you can recreate at your home. See you guys in the next video. Happy cooking.